Transformations. Transformations change a shape, and the three we're going to work with are translations, reflections, and rotations. A translation is when you move a shape up or down or left or right. It doesn't turn, it doesn't flip, you just move it around the coordinate plane. Translate the triangle 2 units left and 1 unit down. So take each point of the triangle and move them to the left 2 units and then down 1 unit. So pick this one, go to the left 2 and then down 1 and move the point there. Do this for each of the points in the triangle. Once you've drawn all 3 points, you can reconnect the points to show where the triangle now is. A reflection is when you flip a shape over the line. Here I flipped the triangle over the x-axis. Now I'm going to flip the original triangle over the y-axis. Reflect the triangle over the y-axis. So imagine this was paper and you folded it along the y-axis. The triangle needs to fold over and lay across that line, and what would that look like? Each point of the triangle needs to be flipped over the line, directly across from it, the same distance from the line. So this one's 3 away, it'll be 3 away on the other side. This one's 5 away, it'll be 5 away from the line on the other side. The third point needs to be also flipped across the line. It's 5 away from the line, it'll be 5 away on the other side. Now connect the points. You can see what the triangle would look like if this was a piece of paper and you folded it along that line and you laid it on the other side. A rotation is when you take the shape and you turn it around a point. So right now I'm taking this triangle and I'm rotating it around the origin. And I keep rotating it. I keep turning it around the center of the coordinate plane. Rotate the figure counterclockwise 90 degrees about the origin. Now a clock turns in that fashion. Counterclockwise would be the other direction, so you're rotating opposite of the clock. So we need to send the triangle around the origin 90 degrees counterclockwise, which means it's got to turn in that direction. Start with the easiest point, but closest one to the origin. Draw a line from it to the origin. We need to make it turn 90 degrees, so it needs to go off at a 90-degree angle from the origin. So there's my 90-degree angle. And the distance between the origin and the point needs to stay the same. So it's going to be the same distance away. Let's take the other point that is on that line and rotate that one and turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise. It too also needs to stay the same distance from the center. Finally, we have one last point. This one's going to be a little bit harder. Notice this line goes over 4 and up 2. To find its 90 degrees, we got to go to the left from the origin 2 and then up 4. That should make a 90-degree angle. Now that we have all 3 points, connect the dots. This is the rotation of the triangle, 90 degrees counterclockwise.